Welcome back to the Tomes Tech Microsoft 365 Help Desk course. Today we're going to focus on Microsoft Outlook roaming signatures. What are Microsoft Outlook roaming signatures? This feature allows users to roam their Outlook signatures across different devices. In this demo, we're going to demonstrate the feature so you'll know how it looks and hopefully can help users set it up. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Outlook and clicking New Email. You should see an attachment dropdown which you can select and manage your signatures. Select New and create a new signature. I'm going to create an example here called Default Desktop Signature and fill in some details. Now when I go back to signatures, I can see my example signature there. Now I want to check and see if my signature ends up syncing up to Outlook Online. Now I skipped over the sync period, but it took about a minute or two to appear in the Outlook Online portal. As you can see, it's all there. Now that I know it's synced up to Outlook Online, I want to create a signature to sync back down. So I'll create another example signature and fill in some details. Now I can see both my signatures here. Now let's go back to the Outlook desktop client and see if it syncs both signatures back down there. Once again, after a minute or two, you can see both signatures ended up syncing. Now this is all made possible by a setting in Outlook client, which now stores Outlook settings up in the cloud. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and keep an eye out for more tutorials.